Hello, I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 6. Cum div denotes the A. Amount above the nominal value of share. B. Charges paid by those who have sold stocks they do not desire. C. Nominal value of a share. D. Price at which the shareholder has no right to receive the next dividend. E. Price at which the shareholder has the right to receive the next dividend payable. So cum div is cum dividend and literally stands for with dividend, and cum div or cum dividend, cum div refers to when a company has declared that there will be a dividend in future for shares. So for shares to be sold, shares that have dividend, payable dividend in the future, are known as shares cum div or shares with dividend. So cum div refers to E. Price at which the shareholder has the right to receive the next payable dividend or the next dividend payable, because those shares are sold with a payable dividend, a dividend to be paid. So the buyer of the shares has certain rights to receive those dividends, those payable dividends. So E. Price at which the shareholder has the right to receive the next payable dividend is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.